Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Facebook verification code not received. So if you're unable to receive the Facebook verification code, then what you want to do is try following these steps. So first of all, you might want to make sure to check your contact information. Now, be it your email address or your phone number, make sure that it is correct, and that you could also check your spam folder in your Gmail if you have sent it on the Gmail or set it as Gmail. So click on a tab bar icon and go to the spam section from the left hand side. Here it is. Sometimes the message could be right on this page and you might not have seen it. The other thing you also might want to do is check your SMS. So you could go to the messaging app or you could go to your applications of the message and see whether there is any sort of message that you have or not. The other thing what you might also want to consider doing is that make sure to update your Facebook application. Now, in some cases, if you've tried it for a certain period of time, then due to some suspicious activity or considering to be a suspicious activity, the Facebook might have limit or blocked your account temporarily, which is why you're unable to receive. So you might want to make sure to wait for 24 to 48 hours, and after which you might be able to get it so as well. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.